Hello everyone. Today again we are going to continue the last part of the chapter, the coastal plains and islands. Now let's start with Maharashtra. The Konkan coast is to south of Gujarat. It is separated from the Deccan Plateau by the Western Ghats. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. The film industry of India is located in Mumbai. It is called Bollywood. Most Hindi and Marathi films are made in Mumbai. People speak Marathi and Hindi. Dhoti kurta with a Maharashtrian turban or cap is worn by men. Women wear 9-yard long saris draped in the traditional way. Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival of Maharashtrians. The Gateway of India is a landmark of Mumbai. The seabed of the Konkan coast has a very rich oil field called Mumbai High. Dadar and Nagar Haveli, a union territory, is in the north of Mumbai. Here are some pictures. Now let's learn about Karnataka. The coastal areas of Karnataka are divided between the Konkan coast and the Malabar coast. Bangalore, the garden city, is the capital. Farming is the main occupation. Sugarcane, cotton, groundnut, jowar, rice, and coffee are grown here. People are employed in industries producing machine tools, telephones, watches, and aircraft. People speak Kannada in the state. The men wear dhoti kurta. Women wear sari and blouse. The staple diet includes rice, dal, idli, dosa, etc. Dashera and Ugadi are the main festivals of Karnataka. Kolar mines are located in Karnataka. Here are some pictures. Now let's learn about Goa. Goa is a land of beaches. Marmagao is the biggest port of Goa. Farmers grow coconuts, cashew nuts, rice, black pepper, mangoes, and bananas. Most of the people here are Christians and wear Western clothes. The fishermen mostly belong to Konkan and wear shirt, short dhoti, while women wear sari in Maharashtrian style. Fishing is an important occupation. People speak Konkani and English. Mando is a popular festive dance. The carnival, which is a 3-day festival, is a mix of Eastern and Western culture. Panaji is the capital of Goa. Basilica of Bom Jesus is the most famous church in Goa. Another famous church of Goa is the Church of St. Francis of Assisi. Now, let's learn about Lakshadweep Islands. Very few people live in these 36 islands. Lakshadweep Islands are off the coast in Kerala in the Arabian Sea. Fishing and growing coconuts are the main occupations. Some of them are also engaged in making coir items. The lifestyle of people on these islands is the same as that of Keralites. This group of islands is surrounded by coral reefs and lagoons. Tourists flock to Lakshadweep to enjoy its sun-drenched breeze and enjoy the beauty of lagoons. Here are some beautiful pictures. Let's end this here only. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.